Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All in One. In this video we will see MCQs on the Reserve Bank of India RBI. So let us start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is here. RBI Reserve Bank of India was established on April 1, 1935, July 12, 1982, May 26, 2006, or the option number D is September 30, 2005. The right option to this question is option number 1. April 1, 1935 is the correct option. Now see question number 2 here. RBI is headquartered at which city? Mumbai, New Delhi, Pune or Gurgaon? 4 options are given and we have to identify the correct option. The right option to this question is option number 1, Mumbai. Now see question number 3 here. Choose the correct statement is related to the organizational structure of RBI. RBI is entrusted with the 21 member central board of directors. First option is governor. Second option is 4 deputy governors. Third is the 2 finance ministry representatives. Or fourth is the 10 government nominated directors. And fifth is the 4 directors to represent local bodies headquartered at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and New Delhi. We have to here identify the correct option among the 5 options regarding the 21 member central board of directors. The option number 1 is 1, 2, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Option number 2 is 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Option number C is 1, 4, 5. 1, 4 and 5. And option number D is all the above. The right option to this question is option number D. All are correct. Regarding 21 member central board of directors, these all include in this 21 member central board of directors: governor, 4 deputy governors, 2 finance ministry representatives, 10 government nominated directors, 4 directors to represent the local boards headquartered at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and New Delhi. So the option number D is correct. Now see question number 4 here. Which of the following is correct? RBI Act 1935, RBI Act 1934 is the second option. Third option is the RBI Act 1930 and fourth option is the none of the above. The right option to this question is option number 2. RBI Act came in 1934. So option number 2 is the correct option. Now see question number 5 here. RBI was established on the recommendation of the which committee? Hilton Young Commission Committee, Osborne Smith Committee, George Yule Committee, Lord Matthew Committee. The right option to this question is option number 1, Hilton Young Commission Committee. This is the correct option. RBI was established under the recommendations of Hilton Young Commission Committee. And RBI Act was passed in 1934 and RBI was established in 1935. Choose the correct statement. Question number 6 is here. We have to choose the correct statement. First question is, first governor of RBI was Sir Osborne Smith. Second option is, second governor of the RBI was James Taylor. Third governor of RBI, first Indian governor of the RBI was C.D. Deshmukh. So among the 3 options we have to identify the correct options. Option number 1 is 1, 2, 2, 3 or 1, 3 or all of the above are correct. The right option to this question is option number D. All are correct. First governor of RBI was Osborne Smith. Second was the James Taylor. Third governor of RBI was C.D. Deshmukh and he was the first Indian governor of RBI. C.D. Deshmukh. Now see question number 7 here. When was the RBI nationalized? January 1, 1949, January 1, 1950, January 1, 1955, January 1, 1956. This is an important question. RBI was nationalized in January 1, 1949. So the option number 1 is correct option. Now see 8th question here. Central office of RBI was initially established at Kolkata, Mumbai, Kanpur or Delhi. We knew that RBI's headquarters is in Mumbai, but where was it initially? Initially it was in Kolkata, and in 1937 it was moved to Mumbai. Hope you have got the answer. 9th question is current governor of RBI is current governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das, M.K. Jain, M.D. Patra or none. The right option is option number first. Shakti Kanta Das is the current governor of RBI. Now see 10th question is here. BFS stands for Bureau of Financial Supervision, Board for the Financial Supervision, Bilateral Financial System or none. The right option to this question is option number second, Board for the Financial Supervision. See little notice related to this MCQ. RBI carries out its functions related to the financial supervision under the guidance of BFS. Hope you have got these lines. Many MCQs are hidden in these lines. So first is here, RBI carries out its functions related to the financial supervision under the guidance of BFS, Board of Financial Supervision. Second question here, it is chaired by RBI governor. So this is the second. Third is here, who is supported by 4 co-opted directors as the member. So 4 co-opted directors. This is the third MCQ or third question can be framed on this line. Fourth question can be framed on this line. So we will read here full line. It is chaired by RBI governor who is supported 4 co-opted directors as the members for 2-year term. 2-year term. One more question here is, one of the deputy governors of the RBI serves as vice chairman. Remember this thing, vice chairman of BFS. And one more thing, BFS meets every month. So these few lines need to be remembered, as many questions can be framed from these lines. Co-opted directors are for 2 years term. They have 2 years term. One of the deputy governor of RBI serves as the vice chairman of BFS. BFS meets every month, and RBI carries financial supervision under the guidance of BFS, and it is chaired by. Now see, one more question is here. From this line it can be asked, the Board of Financial Supervision BFS was constituted in November 1994 as a committee of the Central Board of Directors. November 1994. So remember this thing. These were the 10 MCQs and some notes related to them, some definitions related to them. I have tried my best to sit. If you feel any kind of mistake, please comment. Also, if you wish to add any extra point, you are welcome in my comment box. I request you, if you have got some amount of information from my video, subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Thanks, stay blessed.